In this video, we explain Part 1 of authoring new Cloud Comms messages. To author Cloud Comms messages, you'll want to log on to one.sitrion.com in a web browser. Then click the wrench in the upper right-hand corner to take you to One Administration, and then click the Cloud Comms section in the left-hand panel. And you'll click on the New Messages link to bring you to the New Messages screen. Each new message supports a title or headline. Generally, these should be short to grab attention and relate directly to the content of the message. Please don't put periods in the title. Next, let's talk about the body of the message. The body of the message is composed in a WYSIWYG, what you see is what you get, editor, which supports bold, italics, underline, strikeout, lists, code, headings, image, URL, and line break tags. And when you're using a link in your message, you will always want to test the validity of the link before sending the message. Also, try to stay away from linking websites that require authentication. Next, each new message can contain an image. Supported file types are PNG, JPEG, BMP, GIF, and SVG. And typically for logos, you'll want to use PNG, and for pictures, JPEG. Wide images typically work better in the stream. When you use a headline, you'll typically want to avoid images with text. If you do use text in an image, keep in mind that colored text can be difficult to read. Stick with black or white text. Next, let's talk about how a message will be viewed. New messages will have a summary view, and that is how you initially view the message in the hub. And then some messages, longer messages, will have a detail view. By default, any messages longer than 400 characters will have a detail card, and the 400 character limit is configurable. Sitrion recommends that for summary cards, avoid bold text. This can conflict with the headline style. Do not repeat exact wording that is already in the title as well. You'll also want to keep links to a minimum. Otherwise, you want to place them on the detail card. And just remember, a summary is a brief overview to grab a reader's attention to explain something quickly. And then for detail cards, we want to avoid things such as excessive styling, like overdoing it with bolds or italic text. You'll also want to use natural line breaks to improve readability and avoid large walls of text. That's all for this module. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on Sitrion 1.